Hi, uh, today we'll be talking about salt. In salt, we have sometimes you come across examples of this form 2 all over square root of x minus 5 square root of x equals to 3 all over 4 square root of x, and it says solve for x. Amen. Simple as ABC. Just follow me and make sure you share my page with your friends. It's okay. Let's look at it together. It's simple as ABC. I'm going to teach you how to break it down and how to obtain the value of x. It's okay. So let's write solution. Okay. So here is 2 all over square root of x minus 5 root x equals to 3 all over 4 root x. Amen. Okay. Assuming you come across questions of this form, I'm going to open your eyes to solve questions of this form. What you need to do here first, consider the left hand side. Note that the left hand side here, there is an invisible one here. So it means you must go for LCM. Two of us, we look for LCM. Okay, so the LCM of this is square root of x and 1, isn't it? So it's the same thing as what? Square root of x, true or false? So square root of x divides square root of x, and we're going to give you 1, true or false? Use 1 to multiply 2, here will be 2. Then what do we have here? Minus square root of x divided 1 is square root of x. Then use it to multiply 5 times square root of x times square root of x again. True or false? Okay. I know some of you asked how are we, why are we having square root of x times square root of x? It's because of this is the LCM. You use it to divide 1, it will give you square root of x. Then note that we have here minus 5 square root of x. So use it to multiply this. That is what we are doing. Amen. Then equals to 3 all over 4 square root of x. Amen. Simple as ABC. Okay. Before we expand this or open this bracket, I want us to know something. Amen. Note that if we have square root of a times square root of a, this is the same thing as square root of what? A times a, which is the same thing as square root of a squared. True or false? So you know that square root of a squared, this is the same thing as square root of a squared, all in bracket raised to the power 1 all over 2. True or false? So if you agree with me, this is the same thing as a raised to the power of 2 all over 2, which is equals to a. Is that clear? So it implies that here we are going to apply the same approach here. It means here we are going to have x, isn't it? So if you agree with me, we write 2 minus 5 all in bracket what? X. True or false? So all over square root of x equals to 3 all over 4 root square root of 4 root x. Amen. Okay. So if you agree with me, we will cross multiply. Let us cross multiply. Sorry, cross multiply. Amen. Cross multiply. Look at this. Look at it here. Look at it here. We are going to cross multiply. It means 4 root x will multiply 2 minus 5x, all in bracket 5x. Then root x will now multiply 3. Amen. So if you agree with me, this is how it will be. That is 4 root x, all in bracket 2 minus, if we open this bracket, 5 times x will give us what? 5x. True or false? Then equals to, use this root x to multiply 3. So it will give us 3 root what? 3 root x. True or false? Okay. So If you can see what I am saying, what we need to do, we are to multiply out this left hand side. Let us multiply out this left hand side. So 4 root x times 2 will give us 8 root x. Then minus 4 root x times 5x will going to give us what? 20x root x, amen, equals to 3 root x, true or false? Okay, so far so good, amen. So if you can see what I am saying, don't need the prophet to tell you. You discover that amen, okay, you discover that if you can see what I am saying, look at the left hand side. Something is common, true or false? Because I want to do something. Are you following? I want to do something that will help you. Amen. Okay. If we bracket this idiot, amen. If we bracket this idiot, ask yourself what is common. We know that what is common here is square root of x, true or false? So we write square root of x, take it, factor it out, then we have here 8 minus we have here 20x, true or false? Which is equals to 3 root x, true or false? Okay? So if you agree with me, if you can see what I am saying, what we need to do here is to divide through by, amen, divide through by root x, amen. Yes, this is how we are going to do it. So if you agree with me, here will be root x, all in bracket, 8 minus 20x equals to all over divide through by root x, all over 3 root x, all over root x. True or false? This and this will go. Amen? And this will go. Okay? So if you can see what I am saying, the left hand side will have what? 8 minus 20x equals to 3. Amen? So if you agree with me, this implies that we collect like terms. If we collect like terms, we'll have minus 20x equals to 3 minus 8. Because if 8 crosses the sign of this equality, becomes minus, true or false? So if you agree with me, here will be minus 20x is equals to minus what? 5. This and this will cancel. So we have here 20x equals to 5, amen. Since we are asked to solve for x, we are not looking for 20x equals to 5. So what we need to do is to divide through by 20. Divide through by 20, amen. Divide through by 20, okay. So if we divide through by 20, this is what we have equals to 5 all over 20. This and this will go, true or false? So therefore our x is equals to 5 to itself 1, 5 to 24, 1 all over 4. This is how you are supposed to solve this type of questions. Thank you and God bless. Make sure you share this video, try and help a friend. Thank you.